Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. So today I'm going to show you free modeling. There's another mode called mirror. Okay, you can mirror your object. All right, let's get into it. Okay, first of all, mirror. There's two types of mirror. Okay, when you press mirror, there's this view button. Select mirror plane. Correct not? Right. So let's say if I select this one, okay, and then I press enter button. Become like this. Okay, so I press mirror, I select, press enter button, it look like this. Okay, then if I press shift, okay, when I press mirror, press shift, you see the plus sign or not? Okay, then I select it, press enter, you have something like this. Okay, if I select like this, right? Okay, can mirror. See, if I select this one, it will become the one. Okay, so if I select this one, I press mirror. Okay, select my plane. See now, select plane. Okay, press shift, so not plus, shift. Okay, will be like this. Okay, now I not only can do that, I also can do this. Select this one, press mirror. Okay, press shift, I select this plane. See now. Okay, once select, press enter, you have something like this. Okay, so you also can plane like this. Okay, you can mirror like this. Okay, so hit the like button and subscribe. Alright, okay, bye bye.